1.774 pounds. I'm wrong-handed, so I'll put it on this side. The controls has a clickable detents in there. And here's the release lock. So you release it and then pull it back here, and you can see the this thing extends so that you can put the tool on the pins here. So we got sandpaper, a bunch of sandpaper discs. Looks like 240 grit. And we've got the basic saw. This is the size I normally use on most jobs that I do. Sanding pad, and it has a hook on the bottom, so this has got to be looped. Wood and plastics and soft metal, it says blade. And then you got these cutting knife. I don't know what you call those, but. So let's put one of these on. Release this, and that locks it down, and then you lock that down, and we should be good to go. It's generic DeWalt, and let's try it out. Oh yeah. So it's the battery that's making all that noise. Because the battery's a little loose on there. So this is a, DeWalt 20V max. So that's the noise with the standard battery on it. Okay, well that's one thing. The OEM DeWalt batteries fit better, and it's much quieter. The other battery, generic battery here, was rattling around quite a bit. This one here is much quieter. The only main thing that I'd complain about is that there's no case. And for this price point, I think it should come with one. I hope this helps.